Hi there, I'm Mike, product guy at Village Wealth. Is product guy my actual title?
Yep. Yeah, that's the one. You got it.
Okay. Well, if you're someone who manages multiple buyer inquiries on a daily basis, stick around because we're going to show you how easy it is to find the right buyer faster than ever. So instead of spending hundreds of hours sifting through and verifying information on buyers, you could be doing other things, like literally anything's better. I feel like I need some strong examples here, Rob.
Oh, I don't know. Washing the dishes, doing your taxes, online shopping, or like riding your bike.
No, literally none of those. I'm thinking more along the lines of closing more deals and growing your business, but you get the point. So, this is why we've created Village Wealth, a pre screening platform that helps you sift through the noise and accelerate your search for the right buyer. So, come over here and we're going to show you exactly how we make this happen. All right, welcome to the Village Wealth platform. And right away, you can see that we land on our buyer search engine. I'm going to say that one more time, buyer search engine. We know that when listing an opportunity, you have requirements that buyers need to meet in order to transact. So why not actually search for buyers who fit your criteria? Here we have you covered. This is a place where you can search and filter through our pool of candidates and find ones that are right for your opportunities, expanding your buyer network beyond just your CRM. And we didn't stop there. In order to accelerate your search even further, we digitally verify buyers' identification as well as proof of stated funds. So anytime you see the financial verification badge, you can know that these buyers are motivated and ready to transact. When you find a buyer, simply click connect and we're going to line up a connection directly to your inbox. Our buyer network is continuously growing with buyers who match your listings. Next, we understand that sifting through buyer inquiries coming through your website registration is a big task. And with your Village Wealth account and custom backlink, we can quickly verify buyers on your behalf. Here's Rob to explain how this works.
Well, we have deployed a mesh networked metasearch aggregator on a cloud native decoupled platform that.
All right, thank you. That's enough of that. With your custom backlink URL, our system will automatically flag buyers coming from your site and then send you back a full buyer report, including search criteria, experience, and verification data, helping you pre-screen your buyers more efficiently. Oh, and as an added benefit, you can list your opportunities directly through the platform and receive inquiries from our qualified candidates. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to get started. Come vet your buyer network and discover new motivated buyers for your CRM all in one platform. After all, you have a bike to ride.